Alright, Jay, mira. Aquí está la cámara. Okay? Yeah, vamos a hacer the cookies, okay? Alright. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video, it's just me and JJ. ¿Verdad, JJ? Yeah? See? What are we gonna do? Cookies? You wanna make cookies? You wanna be my helper? See? Yes or no? See? Okay. Look, okay, so we'll be making this mix. We got it at Walmart, so obviously we're not gonna make them from scratch. We're gonna be making this out of the packet. Yes, we are, Pooh.
No.
Yes.
No.
Okay, hold on. You gotta relax. Okay, so it's gonna be chocolate chip cookies. Jay, hold on. Okay, quédate aquí. Wait. Look. Okay, enseña la butter. Enseña la butter. Okay, mira. We're gonna use how much of a butter? We're gonna use half a cup of a butter. Okay, so we have this so we can mix. We have the plata right here. The little basura. We have an egg. So you guys are not gonna be able to see much of my face because. Hold on. Okay, stay right here. Okay, so we're gonna do this quick because Johnny's already trying to break the egg. Hold on. Hold on. No, like that. Gee, you broke it. Okay. Hold on. Okay, we're gonna put this in there. I think so. Yeah. All the way. Okay. Hold on. Wait, we forgot your apron. Come on, Jay. I'm getting Jay's apron ready aquí. Alright, ponte este. So you don't get dirty. No, así. Con el otro. Hold on. You're mixing it?
Yeah.
Alright, let's mix it. Wow, it's super dry. Alright, I think we have to add some of this, huh? How much? Half a cup. So, right here, half a cup, right there. So we have to cut it. Let me go get the knife real quick. Okay, Jay, hold on. Don't drop it. Perfect. Right there. Like this. Whoa. Oh, fine. We have to melt it. Okay? Okay, so we're gonna melt this. And Jay's gonna be here mixing this, Jay? Okay, don't eat the chocolates. Jay, don't eat the chocolates. Let me see. No. Wait. Alright guys, I'm back. So I had to melt the butter. So now we're gonna add it right here. Let me put the camera a little bit down. Right here, hold on, Jay. Okay, mix it. Mix it. Janice? Janice? Okay, mix it, Jay. Mix it. 1 tablespoon water. Alright, so here's the tablespoon of water. Hold on, Jay. Okay. This agua. This is all you have to put in there. E, 1 huevo. Well, we already did it. Alright. Yes, now mix it. Let's see. You have to mix it. Wow, let me see. We have to put this right here. What? Hold on. So, a little story when I used to be much smaller, younger. like about 10. Like about 10, 11. I used to bake a lot. Not from scratch, obviously, right? But from these at the store. So right now I'm doing it with my JJ. Hold on. No, not the knife. Sí, I know. Pero hold on. I don't know, should we just add more water, Jay? Should we add more water? I mean, we put everything, but it still looks dry. Look, it looks really dry. I don't know why. But we already put water, right, Jay? Okay. You think we should put water? Let's put more water. Hold on, Jay. Here, alright, let's mix it. Oh, JJ, you're good. Me and JJ are doing some good cookies right here. Okay, you can do it. Alright, let me go bring the pan where we're gonna be putting the cookies. Como?
Bow.
I should have brought my ring light, guys. Okay, so we got the pan sheet right here. Yeah, we have the pan sheet. Hold on, Papa. No, let me get the. Jaya, you being good right there? Are you being good? Alright, so we're gonna use this one, okay, Jay?
Yeah.
And then we're gonna put them right here para que no se pegue. I don't think it's necessary, pero we're gonna use it anyway. Wow. Más o así?
No.
Más? No, I think it's done. Okay, hold on. I'm trying to get these. This is super pasty. Jay, you like this? Is it good? Have you ever eaten raw mixed? See? Okay. Not like that. Mira, mira, agarra un poquito y haz bolitas. Like this. So basically you do this. Gigi, not like that. Poquito, nomás, poquito. Hold on, dale una ball. Do a ball. See. Let me see. Wow. We're gonna have to wash our hands really good after this. Hey, no, not like that. Yeah. Okay, otro más. Yeah, try to do a ball. Don't grab out everything. Yeah. Yeah, little balls, así. Jay, you're dropping everything. So apparently they're gonna come in all different sizes because, you know, I think I added too much water. GG. Wow. Okay, we're gonna have to cut it right here, JJ. We have to go wash our hands. Come here.
A few moments later.
These are. Ooh. Hold on. I'm gonna try to do everything, okay?
No.
Yes, Papa. Hold on. Mira. You only have to get like a little chunky piece. Yes. Hold on. Not like that. Because they're gonna come out messy. And then I forgot to take out most of the chocolates. And I'm sorry that you guys can see my face, but you know, we're trying to focus on Johnny right here. See? So, because then they're too chocolatey. too chocolatey. You like chocolate? Okay. You like cookies? We should have just made like a whole kind of like a okay. Sí. Agarra un chocolate. Cómete un chocolate si quieres. Uno.
No?
Sí, because then I think it makes you bad. No, not a lot. Gigi, not a lot. Me and Gigi are being bakers today. Now, Gigi, we're baking?
Yeah.
Wow. You're baking with me, Gigi? No, ya no más. Alright, most of it, lo que queda is kind of pure chocolate, so I'm not even gonna bother to take it off. Hold on, Gigi. So we're making 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 cookies. Okay? Next time, vamos a hacer un whole sheet of cookies. Hold on, this one looks too skinny. And you guys hear the oven out there? Out there. In the back of us. Jay, you ready? You like this? Say hi. Hold on. Jay, say hi. Jay, you like YouTube? Yeah? Yep. I have to be this mom so we can both come in camera, out in camera. Alright guys, miren. So this is what we have so far. 3, 6, 9, 12 cookies. And I bet these are gonna expand really wide. So yeah. Hold on. Here, grab this. Not the knife. Okay, Gigi, you ready? We have to put them in the oven. Okay, you ready? Okay, let's go. Go put them in the oven. Come on. Here, grab it. Wow, JJ. Okay. We're gonna get the cookies right now. Hold on, Jay. We have Janice right here, Juliana right here, watching us. JJ, ponte estos.
Why, papi? Papi, why?
Póntelo.
Why?
Ponte otro. It's because JJ's helping me bake, baby. Alright, scoot that way. JJ, we're gonna put them. So, JJ can't really put it in there porque, you know, safety reasons. So we're gonna put them right here, JJ.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
How long are we gonna put them for, JJ?
2.
Okay, so we'll give you guys a little update right now once they're ready. JJ, close it. Close it. Wow. JJ, how you like baking, gordito? You like it? JJ, you like it? Yeah? Wow. Okay. Alright, so we set up the timer for 9 minutes. That's the what we're gonna give them. JJ, you already done? You're not done, JJ. What happened to your sock? You lost one. Okay guys, so this is the setup right here. The extra right here.
Papi, look.
Janice, you wanna try one?
Yeah.
Here. Chocolatey.
Me?
Juliana, you wanna try one?
No.
No?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
It says like,
Look guys,
strawberry cookie.
struggles right here.
Papi, it says like strawberry cookie.
It's really good cookies. They taste good. Jay, you like it?
Butter.
Yeah?
No.
Alright, so they're baking right now, so we're gonna wait for 10 minutes and gonna see what's up. Alright guys, so right there you guys see me bake with Johnny. You know, like I was telling you guys, I used to bake when I was a little kid. I believe I was like 10 or 11, 12. I don't know the age, but I used to bake a lot. And not from scratch, but you know, from the box, but you know, we still did the effort in baking. So yeah, right now we use these right here. And you know, I just been wanting to make this video with my JJ. And as you guys can see, he's a wild boy. Okay, so yeah, 12 cookies. We're gonna see what's up right now. And yeah,
I got this.
Janice is over here. The kids are eating the raw dough. JR in the building. But yeah. JJ, what's next on the menu? What are we gonna bake? Well, cook.
Wait, he's a chef?
Huevo? Huevo, we're gonna cook huevo, JJ? Yeah?
What did you say?
What do you wanna cook?
What you said?
What do you wanna cook?
What you said?
I said huevo.
Wapple.
JJ's a chef.
Okay. Maybe JJ can bake with me, cook with me, I don't know, next
We
video.
should start a YouTube channel.
Of what?
The
Gaming.
Nope.
JJ's.
The gaming.
No, that's boring. Okay, anyways. We're gonna clean this up right now and we're gonna see the cookies. Are you guys ready to try JJ's cookies?
Yes, sir.
Alright. Juliana, what are you doing on your phone? TikToks?
No.
Okay.
Kitty.
JJ's getting mad. Hey, boss.
Bobby say pee.
Alright, let's put this away because you guys are gonna get it's raw dough. It's raw dough, it's garbage. Come on, JJ, your cookies. Come on, your cookies. Alright, come here. Put these on.
You're not gonna take them out right now. You have to let them sit there.
The expert right here telling us what to do. Hurry, métetela, güey.
You guys the cookie.
Okay, hold on. You gotta wait. Alright, look at them guys. They're fluffy. Plus, they got stuck to each other.
Yeah.
Wow, JJ, I told you just a little bit.
D.
See, you like cookies? Jay is ready to bring them out of the oven. Jay, ¿estás listo?
No.
¿Estás listo? ¿Los vas a sacar del oven?
The lights are turning off too.
Yeah.
Ahorita. Wait a little bit.
Alright guys, miren, right here, ya los saqué because Jay is over there playing. So I already took out the pan sheet, the cookies. Obviously I wasn't gonna let JJ take it out because you know it's super hot and an accident can happen. So JJ, where you at, Jay? Jay, what happened to bacon, boy? Hurry,
What?
hurry, Jay. This is how the cookies turn out to look like. They're really soft, but ahorita I bet they're gonna turn cold. So right now we're gonna let it cool down. So Jay, ya la saqué. We're gonna have to let it cool down, okay? For 5 minutes
Why?
or more, probably. Okay, guys. So we have the cookies right here, Mira. Hold on, JJ. Wow, show a cookie. Wow. Okay, lleva cookie a Janice. A ver. Janice, dale una a Janice. Okay, Janice, try the cookie. Let's see. Ooh, do you like it or no? Yeah, it's good. Tell Junior.
Can I have one? Okay, I'll take this one.
Alright guys, try it. I better. How do you guys like JJ's cookies? Hold on, Jay. I'm gonna drop them. What do you guys think?
Good.
They're good?
Help me.
Is it too much chocolate? No, it's perfect. Yeah. Okay guys. So far 1, 2, 3 goods, JJ. We got 3 thumbs up. They're soft. Wow, JJ, you should be selling these cookies.
They're like moisty, but chocolate makes it good.
Yeah. Okay, dale una a mamá. Let's see. Tell mama to try your cookies.
Your cookies?
Dale una mamá. Let's see.
Can I get one? Esa? Okay.
Let's see.
I'm gonna get half, okay?
Okay, what do you think about JJ's cookies?
You can't. That?
They're soft.
They're what?
They're soft.
They're soft?
I don't know if they're soft porque están calientes todavía.
Mm-hmm.
They're soft. I like soft cookies. I don't like hard cookies.
Yeah. Alright, JJ, so we have 4 good thumbs up.
Jay,
Alright, let me try one,
you
Jay.
try it.
Whoa!
Say.
Let me try one. Let me try this bad boy right here. Alright, guys. Let's try these cookies. You know.
We need some chocolate. We need some milk.
Yep, we're gonna need some milk with these.
Okay.
They're soft, they're good. So like I told you guys, tienen mucho chocolate. So you're gonna need to cut a glass of milk. Mmm.
Yeah.
They're good.
Yep. Yep.
JJ, can we have another cookie?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see. Can I have one? Wait. All right. Hey, can I have this?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Me and JJ did these cookies. They're amazing. They're really soft. They're good. Yeah. Whoa. Okay. Peace out. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. JJ, D-bye.
Bye.
Say bye, Janice. No.
No.
No, 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 no.